We already have in place, we are not reinventing the wheel, by the way. We already have in place platforms that are existing. In our sister Ministry of Labor, we've had the Inua Jamii platform. We've also had the Hunger Safety Net platform in our ministry through NDMA, where we, in 2017, when we had drought, we were able, with the support of WFP, to set up a system where we were serving about 1.6 million Kenyans who are able to receive cash transfers instead of relief food that they would wait for quite a while. And these are areas where we are looking at how we can integrate our systems. This is one of the terms of reference that we gave you. And we want to thank our sister Ministry of ICT, who provided us with the necessary support to see how these systems in different ministries and agencies can actually be integrated to create a common digital platform and to be able to create a single registry that going into the future, we can know how many Kenyans are vulnerable out there and be able to put money in their pockets instead of keeping them waiting for long due to logistical challenges of getting food to them, particularly in times like this when even getting food physically to them is a challenge.
This has a net effect of giving dignity to our people. A cash transfer has been proved to work in many countries, and importantly, Kenya is considered as a leader in the region. From my heart as a Cabinet Secretary for Labor, we have seen cases where countries have come from as far from China, from India, Sri Lanka, and many from in the neighborhood to come and study of the good things that we've done over time. So my appeal is that, let's not reinvent the wheel. I know it must have been captured in the recommendations, because the task force also included people from labor. The single registry will be the most important platform where we are going to eliminate duplication. We are going to have real data that will be used, to address the actual beneficiaries in a manner that's going to be consistent with the desire and the tenets or the intention that we want to supply, we want to give relief.